Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 3, Lesson 22. Our learning goal for today says, I can find and create sets of objects with the same number. Same number? What does that mean? Oh yeah, that means they have the same amount. So if the number is 2, the same number would be 2. Yeah, they're going to match each other. Excellent job. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and look at a set of objects and then create my own that matches with the same number. Here we go. Ooh, Mario. I love Mario. Look at him dancing across the page. All right, so in order to figure out how many I have, what do I need to do? Yeah, I need to count them. Let's go ahead and have Mario do a little dance as we count him. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So I know I'm creating a set of objects that matches how many Marios I have. So how many circles do I need to draw, friend? Yes, 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, yes. All right, our goal was to make a set of objects with the exact same number. Did we do it? Ah, we totally rock. Okay, friends, today we're going to do something a little bit different. So I want you to go ahead. You need a dry erase board and a marker. If you don't have that, you can go ahead and get a piece of paper and a pencil. But while you do that, I want you to go ahead and press pause and then press play when you're all set. Okay, do you have your materials? Oh, press pause while you go grab them if you don't. All right, good. You have your materials now? Here we go. All right. Oh, Luigi, I should have guessed it. He could not stay away. All right, we're going to be drawing, we're going to be creating a set of objects that matches how many Luigis we have. Well, friend, how are we going to figure that out? Oh, we need to count them, of course. All right, Luigi, do your dance as we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Good job. All right, we're going to see if we can create a set of objects that matches our Luigi. So I want you on your dry erase board, pick up that good marker. I want you to go ahead and draw the same number of Luigis on your board. No, you don't have to draw Luigi. That would be a lot of work. You can just draw a quick shape, like a circle or a triangle or a heart or a box, a square, whatever you would like to do. All right, so press pause while you draw the same number. Remember, we had 6 Luigis. And then press play to check yourself. Okay, did you draw your set of objects? Oh, good. All right, I'm going to go ahead and draw mine. As I draw mine, I want you to tap on each one of yours and see if we have the same number. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Friend, how did you do? You totally rocked it? Oh, you're amazing. Awesome job. All right, go ahead and erase your board. We're going to try to make another set that's the same number. All right, is your board all erased? Here we go. Yoshi, I love Yoshi. All right, I love that he has a long sticky tongue. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead. I'm not going to help you out on this one. So I just want you to press pause right now. You figure out how many Yoshis there are, and then you draw a set of objects that matches the Yoshis. Then press play to check yourself all the way, okay? Did you do all of your good work? Press pause while you work. All right. I hope that your board is filled up with a set of objects that matches our Yoshi. All right. So here we go. First things first, what do we have to do to figure it out? Of course, we have to count our Yoshis. Let's count together. 1, oh, Yoshi, of course he's spinning. 2, Yoshi. 3, 4. Okay, there are 4 Yoshis, and I want to draw a set of objects that matches and has the same number. So how many objects am I going to draw, friend? 4, you're right. Here we go. As I draw mine, you tap on yours and make sure you have the right number. 1, 2, 3, 4. How'd you do? Oh, you are so good. Friend, I love that you're working so hard and you're being so organized and careful with your drawing so that you can make sure that you have the same number as the set of objects that we started with. Well, I am impressed. Let's try one more. I don't know the name of these guys. I have a friend here with me. Buddy, do you know what their names are? Oh, they're the sea urchins. How did I not even guess that? He whispered it because I told him he couldn't talk. All right, so I want you to go ahead and press pause. You need to figure out how many sea urchins there are and then draw a set of objects with the same number. Press pause while you do your good work, and then you can press play to check yourself. Okay, do you have a set of objects drawn on your dry erase board? Oh, perfect, then you're all set to go. We need to count our sea urchins to see how many we have before we can create a set of objects that match. Are you ready? Perfect. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, that is a big number, 7. I can't even imagine being 7 years old. That's going to be fun. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw a picture of 7 objects. As I draw mine, can you tap on yours? Perfect. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now I have the same number. How'd you do? Oh, you are a rock star. Excellent job. All right. Our learning goal for today says, I can find and create sets of objects with the same number. And that is exactly what we practiced. Friend, go ahead and erase that good dry erase board because it is your turn to send me a picture of your good learning. All right, so these are the question blocks. That means when you jump on them, sometimes there's an extra prize in there when you're playing Mario. What I would like you to do is I want you to figure out how many question blocks there are, and then I want you to draw a set of objects that's the same number as the question blocks. All right, that will practice our good learning goal. Good luck, friends.